Wow, there is an architectural marvel here. This is found at Ayangar Kulam near Kanchipuram, the city of temples, which was a hub of cultures and temple architecture. And this structure is known as Nadavavi Kenaru. Nadavavi means walk well. It is a step well. Step well is very uncommon in this part of the country. And this step well is in use. Located close to Sanjeevaraya temple at Ayangar Kulam. So you can find three features here. One is Sanjeevaraya temple, then there is a tank close to the temple, then you find this Nadavavi Kenaru. This Nadavavi Kenaru you find has arch in front. The arch is intricately carved one with Sri Mahalakshmi, the image of Sri Mahalakshmi in the middle. When you walk towards that, you can find the two pillars carrying this image. There will be a large square structure with steps leading into the earth. So, it is a step well. Varadaraja Perumal, the deity of Varadaraja Perumal Kovil, the Uchava Murti, he steps down for a ceremonial visit once a year on the full moon of the Tamil month Chitrai, that falls around April to May. And in the central part of this structure you find it is covered with metallic net. That is for the safety reason. But well is open for rainwater to collect, with two large canal-like structures also directing the flow of water into the underground storage space. There's a flight of 27 stairs that leads to Mandapam underground. And when you go down, you can find during the other parts of the year you find there will be stagnation of water. So you have to wade through that and find 12 beautifully carved pillars which surround the Mandapam. And there is a well within it. And we don't find water during the summer season. It gets dried up and the remaining water is emptied to enable the deity to get down. They carry, there will be a procession, in that they carry the idol of Uchavamurti and they go down with the Uchavamurti. There the Tirumanchanam, the Abhishekam is conducted. And they make one pradakshana, they make one round with the Perumal. Perumal walks around the Mandapam there. So as you go down through the steps, you can find the Mandapam with beautifully sculpted pillars, and in the middle there is a well. The well collects the rainwater. And the water which is collected on the floors of the Mandapam gets dried up in hot season, and for the idol to be brought here, they pump out the water. It is open only during that Chitrai month, that is only during that part of the year and it is under the control of ASI, Archaeological Survey of India. This was built by Lakshmi Kumara Tatacharya, who was a royal preceptor, Rajaguru of Vijayanagar kingdom. And this was built during the end of 16th century. And we find three features here: Sanjeevaraya temple, tank, and this Nadavavi well, Nadavavi Kinaru. And this Sanjeevaraya temple got this name because when Hanuman carried Sanjeeva hill, he dropped a small portion of the hill in this place. So this temple, the temple which was built by Lakshmi Kumara Tatacharya, was named after the Hanuman. There is another incident attached to it. When he was carrying the valuables along with his people, they had to stay here in this place during night time, and they all were asleep. The thieves, they came here and tried to take all the jewels and other precious things from them. Suddenly a monkey jumped here and got over everything, and it sat there throughout to protect the valuables. Then when Tatacharya got up, he saw the monkey sitting there, and once they all woke up, the monkey ran away. So, to honor, to thank this monkey, he built this temple. So, the temple was named after the Hanuman Sanjeevaraya temple. It's a very old temple, and you have a very huge tank near the temple. So the tank was constructed for the people to enable to collect water for drinking and other purposes from this tank. And he donated a lot for many temples. So this place is named after him. Tatacharya came to be known as Iyengar Kulam.